Hi, this is Celine, and today we'll see how to make this wooden pipe. Making a wooden pipe with very few tools and yet useful and elegant may be easier than you think. Using the same technique, you can create a different kind of pipe that you like. I'm going to show you in detail how that is done, and it will be certainly cheaper to make, and depending on the wood and finish or time you give, it can get to be a very valuable one.
The challenging or interesting part of this project is the design. You can start by drawing on a thick board, bigger than an inch or 3 centimeters, a pipe of your choice. I think a long fluid shape will be elegant in this case. Once you are happy with the design, cut it using a scroll saw or band saw, and then once again cut it across so you can work the inner side. Trace the shape inside by taking care of how the smoke will flow. The shape will directly determine how easy or hard it is to aspire through it. If you find it too big, you can always add a filter or portion of it. I'm using a rotary tool with a tip made for carving, but there are of course multiple ways to remove this part of the wood. Be careful of the wall thickness depending on the hardness of the wood. Start polishing at this point to build the chamber. Glue both sides without letting drops fill the smoke channel, and once it's dry, trace the final shape rounding the head of the chamber and making a thin stem. Polish to round everything up and the pipe is finished. You can use a fine polishing afterwards and all to make it less pale and add a flavor. Be careful of which chemicals and types of wood you use, of course, since it will be in direct contact with the mat.